We prepare to build a portable vise. We plan to use metal clamps to complete it. Because those clamps are difficult to stand alone, we cut 2 slots in the board and insert them in. The clamp's top edge is wider than the bottom one. When the bottom edge is inserted into the slots, the clamp's top edge will sit on the slot without falling down. The bottom looks like this. We prepare to glue some cutted boards in the bottom, at the both sides of clamps, to prevent them wobbling. The bottom was glued with several cutted boards already. For the purpose of preventing clamps moving back and forth, we added a woodblock bar. In order to prevent the clamps wobbling, we glued a thin flat board on the top of edges to fasten the clamps. Basically, the vise is completed. The clamps didn't wobble at all. The bottom glued with gutted boards looks like that. As a matter of fact, in order to prevent wobbling, gluing the board at the bottom is the first step. Gluing the flat thin board at the top of edge is the second step. The third measurement is to glue some cutted block against the clamp neck and squeeze the both sides of the clamp neck. Now the whole project is done. The vise should complete the task to fasten the wood or metal bar for later cutting and processing. The bottom surface provides good friction force to prevent it to slide. If you like, you could use some screws in 4 corners to fasten it on the desk.